Today I would like to compare our following two stock hair systems, Genesis and Vigor. First of all, you will see that there are a lot of similarities between these two products. The base design are very similar. Both use three different base materials that have been combined to create the same looking base design. Both have a fine monotop and makes them the most durable hair system. It's the back, sides, and front of the base that differ. Genesis has a PU perimeter, which has a thicker kind of skin material, so it makes the base is strong and helps the base to hold its shape. Since PU is still skin, it is an easy surface to add tape or glue, and you want to have to be as careful when handling it. The front is also skinny, but thinner and more natural. Single split knots here and everywhere else apart from the top, which has a double split knot. You can rest assured that hair will not shape easily. Now, if we look at Vigor in comparison, the biggest difference is its much more realistic French lace front. This will give the wearer a light and an airy feel to the front of the scalp, as well as a detectable hairline. That means that Vigor is suitable for a brushed back style, whereas Genesis is not. Vigor has a thin skin on the back and sides. This material is lighter and thinner than PU of Genesis. The back and sides of Vigor are ideal for tape or glue and cleaning. Both of these hair systems have a cut-away design. The base size is 8 by 10 inches. By the way, we can cut it for you before shipment. In summary, Genesis and Vigor are two of our more durable hair systems. But if you want a more natural looking hair system, go for Vigor. And if you want a more durable hair system, go for Genesis. We hope this video has been helpful in choosing the right system for you. Our hair systems can be shipped immediately after payment, and you will receive them within 5 working days. We also offer a professional cutting and styling service so that you will be able to wear your hair system right out of the box. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel for similar videos. For any other information about Genesis or Vigor hair system, leave your comments below.